Hi guys, if you're also tired of changing or replacing outdoor lighting for every different season or every different occasion, then I have super good news for you, because here we have this REYLAX Permanent Outdoor Lights. Means you install it once and then use it all year round, spring, summer, fall, even winter, for Christmas, because you can change the light exactly to your needs. Very unique here that it has these dual LED beads. A lot of lights have only this RGB, and so when you want to use it as normal white light illumination, then it's just producing not a really beautiful white light. But here we have the RGB on one side, which we can use to create any season, even Halloween, 4th of July, or you can just use the second light, which is a nice, beautiful, warm light. Of course, the whole set is waterproof, and it comes with a remote control, so you can change easily the light setting. It has even dimming function and the built-in timer, which makes it even more convenient. And so let's take it out of the box, see what we get, and then of course I'm going to show you how beautiful we can illuminate an area, for example our pool area. But of course it does not only fit there, you can also mount it underneath a ceiling or on a wall, or use them as an in-ground illumination along your driveway, walkway. So you can see we get all the accessories needed, all the mounts for all the different applications, no matter if you want to mount it on a ceiling, wall or in-ground. We get even anchors and screws for the full length, which is 110 feet with 60 beads. And by the way, you don't have to be worried that we have only 60 LEDs for 110 feet. Because of the round shape of the lights, they can still illuminate the whole area. And so here of course the light with the remote control. Batteries are not included, so make sure that you have two AAA batteries ready. And so the light a little bit more in detail, you can see everything nicely organized in different sections, but of course still everything together as one piece. And of course now I can also show you some attachments, for example the ground stakes, really nice short ones but still capable to penetrate easily the soil. So you can see we have this opening here, so we just push them here inside. You can see I have a really solid hold. I have to pull here really hard to remove it, but it's still possible. So you can use it for example in ground, and if you decide to use it on a wall or underneath the ceiling, you can then mount them with these tiny holders. You can see you can also push them here inside. And so the special thing with these mounts here is that they have these holes, so you can mount them flat towards a wall, and after that you just push the light over it and it has a solid hold. And if you don't need that anymore, you can just pull it away, and after that use the screwdriver to remove the holder. Very clean installation. And because we are talking here about very modern, high efficient, low power consuming LEDs, we can use the whole thing even with this power bank. So I plug it in and you can see that it's nicely working here, but of course outside it's much more beautiful.
And so you can see I have it here outside in the patio around the pool, and watch how beautiful this is. I have some lights here also along the walls. You can see how this would look if you have it on the wall or underneath the ceiling. Also absolutely beautiful. But also here around the pool, I've never seen such beautiful lights here, and they are even illuminating a little bit the pool cage. And of course we have the different light effects, for example this one here, or some flashing lights, this one as well, or this here, or slowly breathing mode here, and same thing also for the warm light. Yeah, warm light, really an absolute beauty, as you can see. By the way, I don't have it really installed, I just have it here easy on the floor, so it didn't take me very long time. Yeah, really nice illumination, maybe not so many options, especially from the RGB. I've been expecting maybe a little bit more. On the other hand, we have really nice warm light, which you can even dim or make a little bit more bright, but we cannot change the color temperature. But I think as it is already, it's a really beautiful light, a really nice thing which you can put around your pool, cage, patio, on the roof, wherever you want. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.